What's up, Adventure Buddies? In this week's video, we've got a huge announcement to tell you. Without further ado, cue that intro.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So if you guys have been subscribed along with us for a while, if you haven't, click that red subscribe button. You know that Trevi and I met around 6 years ago. Trevi came with 2 kids, Jake and Gianna, and we started embarking upon life's greatest adventure. Or so we thought. Fast forward about 5 years ago, I proposed to Trevi in Costa Rica. Click the link above here to see that proposal. 6 months later, we ended up getting married down in San Diego. Click that link here. And now we're ready to disclose our biggest announcement to date, our upcoming adventure.
We're having a baby! We're super excited to share this news with you guys and our family. Check it out.
Oh my God!
That's so cute.
Little baby!
Yeah, congrats, guys.
Oh!
Yeah, the girls are crying.
Are you ready for this?
You have another puppy.
Shut your eyes.
Oh, excuse me, I stepped on adventure baby. Adventure buddies. Baby. No. Really? I want, oh my gosh! Oh, really? Oh my God! Are you, can you believe this? Oh man, I'm so happy! Oh my gosh, man! Oh, I was so happy!
So we're all super excited about this upcoming news, but we don't know the gender of the baby yet. So click that red subscribe button if you want to take part in our gender reveal party. And so speaking of the subscribe button, you're not going to want to miss out on our upcoming videos. Here we're going to take you through everything you need to know about traveling while pregnant and then traveling with a baby. This is going to be a shift in some of the adventures that we have, but an adventure nonetheless. And so I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies.
And I'm Trevi.
And remember, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?